C8393 Fundamentals of Data Structures in C. Unit 1, third topic, constants or literals and variables, presented by Anuja or APCSE, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. First of all, the definition of constant. A constant is a value or an identifier whose values cannot be altered in a program. Suppose we can define a constant in a C program in the following two ways. First one is by using constant keyword. Second one is hash define preprocessor directive. So this is the syntax of constant, constant type, constant name. The example is constant double PA is equal to 3.14. Variable PA is a constant, 3.14 cannot be changed. So this is a simple example of constant. Hash include stdio.h. Then you can define the main function. Then constant integer side is equal to 10. Integer area is equal to side into side. Then print the particular area. That is output is the area of square 10 means 100 square unit. So the second example is hash define variable value. Here the example is hash define pi 3.14. Then the constant can be classified into some different types. So that is C constant. The next one is primary constant. The primary constant that can be divided into several ways, that are integer constant, floating point constant, character constant, string constant and backslash constant. The first one is integer constant, and integer constant is a numeric constant associated with the numbers without any fractional or exponential part. These are three types of integer constants. One is decimal constant, the base 10. Then second one is octal constant, base 8. Hexadecimal constant, base 16. So this is the example for constants. Decimal constants, the range is 1 0 minus 9. Octal constant 0 2 1 0 7 7 like that. Hexadecimal is 0x7f, 0x2a, etc. So here the some rules we are followed in a constants. First one is an integer constant must have at least only one character, and it must not have a decimal point. It can either a positive or a negative. No commas or blanks are allowed within an integer constants. If number of sign precedes an integer constant, it is assumed to be positive. Then it allowable range for integer constants is minus 327682 to 32767. Then floating point constant is a numeric constant that has either a fractional form or an exponential form, that is decimal point. The example is 6.333. That is the correct way of assigning a floating point constants. Here also using some of the follow some of the rules, that is a real constant must have at least one digit and it must have a decimal point. The Mandisio part and exponential part should be separated by a letter, that is small e or capital E. Then the Mandisio part must have a positive or negative sign. The default sign of Mandisio or part is positive. Then no commas or blanks are allowed within a real comment. Character constant is a constant which uses single quotation around the character. So this is the example of character constants. Here we are using the characters are A, number 6, symbols equal to. Then these characters we are using a single quotation mark. The rules we are using the character constants is a character constant is an alphabet, a single digit or a single space, a special symbol enclosed within a single quotes. The maximum length of the character constant is one character. The string constants are the constants which are enclosed in a pair of double quotation mark. So this is the examples for string constant, that is goat. Before that we are using double quotation mark. Then backslash character constant. So there are some characters which have special meaning in C language. They should be preceded by a backslash symbol. So this is the example for backslash character. So these are the character and that meaning. The difference between variables and constants. The difference between variables and constants is that variable can change their value at any time, but constants can never change their value. So this is the example for variable and constant variable. Here integer a is equal to 10, a plus plus, print the value. So the value is a is equal to 10. Here we can apply the increment operator. So the output is 10 plus 1, 11. Here constant integer a is equal to 10, increment operator a plus plus, print the value. But we can apply the constant value a is equal to 10. So the output is also 10. Thank you.